Hello! To backup data on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down until you find the accounts and backup right here. Let's go in there. And as you can see, you can perform the backup of the data using Samsung Cloud and Google Drive. So first of all, I will show you how to do it with the Samsung Cloud. So let's press this button right here. And in case you are being notified that this application needs to be updated, you will have to press this button to update it. And here will be the notification after a while that the update is installed, and from there you could press this backup data button again and you'll be forwarded to this menu. And from here we can select any application we'd like to backup, press backup now, and as you can see the data has been backed up. And now to perform the data backup with the Google Drive, we have to press this button to backup data right here, and you can select to backup photos or videos or other device data, which are contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, and SMS and MMS messages, as you can see. So select any data that you'd like to backup, press confirm and manage backup. And from here, as you can see, we have the backup by Google One, and there is no backup currently, no data set up, so you have to press this button backup now. And from here we have to confirm ourselves, insert our current password for our phone, and wait for this data backup to complete, as you can see. So yeah, and after that everything should be alright. As you can see, the data should be backed up. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.